You've seen metals that are silver, orange, and golden color. But have you ever seen a metal that is blue in color? Not just on the outside, but all the way through? Today I'm going to show you how a blue colored metal is made without any exotic ingredients. Please, don't try this yourself unless you are already experienced with molten metals and casting, especially safety precautions. Here, I have some tin, copper, and magnesium that combine together to make a blue metal, and just a tiny bit of bismuth to help smooth out the final product. So we're going to take the tin and the copper and then turn on our furnace to about 900 degrees Celsius. Then we are going to take some super special salt and put it in, which will come in handy a bit later. Okay, the tin and copper have melted. Now we're going to add our magnesium very carefully. Now, one thing is that the super special salt is the only thing that is keeping the magnesium from burning. The salt is melted and it's sort of forming a layer on top. Now we're going to let this sit and dissolve and let all the gases get out of it. And in a few minutes I'm going to pour it into the mold, which I'm currently preheating right now. So I've poured it in the mold now. That big black ugly layer is the salt, but it's super important for a clean, non-flaming pour. Otherwise the magnesium would already be on fire by now. So we're going to sit and wait for this to solidify, and I'll show it to you after I clean it up. Now, as usual, I had to resort to washing away all the salt. It's not good for the ingot mold. I'm going to have to dry it later. But now we get our piece of blue metal, which, after some shining and polishing, is going to look pretty awesome. Kind of like this guy right here. All right, that's all for now. Bye-bye.